Any conclusion about life is bound to be a lie. The body is an animal. It wants to gather things and procreate. That's why so much energy goes into the struggle for money and sex. May you be overwhelmed by life, this tremendous phenomenon that is creation and creator at once. Cancer is a serious aberration in the human system. Classical yoga brings harmony and neutralizes aberrations. Every human being is spiritual in some way. It is just that some people claim the mantle. I don't believe in material wealth. My wealth is in the hearts of people. Total involvement in work does not kill you. It can make you far more resilient, competent, and effective in everything you do. If what is happening in the world is not the way you want it, at least what is happening within you must be the way you want it. Silly trends come and go, life goes on. Integrity is not just about the way you act when others are watching, it is about the way you are within yourself. One moment of absolute gratitude can transform your whole life. Unless a powerful spiritual movement sweeps the world, psychological instability will become the norm. Restfulness is a kind of lubrication tool for your system. Not enough rest means there will be friction within you. You may have a family, work, and things to do, but not for a moment should you forget the fundamental purpose of your life. Good intentions are not enough. It takes the right action performed with the right consciousness to produce the necessary results. Don't judge someone's spiritual process by their behavior. The spiritual process is beyond the ways of body and mind. If we want everyone to be well, we need to rethink everything we do and the way we do it in the world. The significance of Adiyogi is he provided methods to evolve human consciousness that are relevant for all times. Do not make life decisions based on immediate compulsions. Looking back after many years, it should still be a worthwhile choice. Yoga predates all religion. When the idea of religion did not yet exist in human mind, yoga was. If you realize your life is 100% your responsibility, there is no room for being resentful towards anyone. Dharma is not a teaching, philosophy, or belief system. It is based on clarity of vision about life here and hereafter. If you are conscious that you are mortal, there is no time to do anything stupid. You have to stay on track. Thinking is just a recycling of data that you have gathered in the past. Revolutions can sometimes lead to well-being, but usually they only replace one tyrant with another set of tyrants. The purpose of existence is to exist. It is too enormous, intricate, and fantastic to need any other purpose. If you like or dislike something, you cannot see it the way it is. Either you exaggerate it in a positive way or in a negative way. Enlightenment happens quietly, like the blossoming of a flower. Only when you are truly joyful Can you genuinely reach out to other people?